This steel begins its journey long before it looks like this.
Steel supports modern life in countless ways. But every steel product starts inside a steel mill. The process often begins with recycled scrap steel. This scrap comes from old machines and structures. Powerful cranes move massive loads with precision. The steel is sorted before processing. Unwanted materials are removed. Clean scrap moves toward the furnace.
This is where steel transforms.
The furnace reaches extreme temperatures.
The scrap melts into liquid steel.
The composition is carefully adjusted. Samples confirm quality and strength. Samples confirm. Now, the steel is ready to be shaped. Casting turns liquid steel into solid form. Molten steel flows from the ladle. The tundish regulates steel flow. The outer shell begins to solidify. The strand forms continuously. Water sprays cool the steel further. Rollers maintain the shape. The strand is gradually straightened. Steel is cut to length.
Each section is precisely cut.
The steel remains extremely hot. The steel remains extremely hot. Billets move to controlled cooling. Air cooling stabilizes the structure. Now, the steel is ready for shaping. Cast billets are prepared for rolling. Each billet enters the rolling line. Billets are reheated before shaping. Uniform heat is critical. The steel becomes hot and workable. Now ready for rolling. Surface scale is removed. Rough rolling reduces thickness. The steel becomes longer and thinner. Shape is refined step by step. Rolling speed increases rapidly. Final dimensions are achieved. The steel takes its final form. Cooling begins immediately. Natural cooling stabilizes the steel.
Natural cooling stabilizes the steel.
After cooling, the steel is ready for inspection. Surfaces are visually inspected.
Dimensions must meet strict tolerances.
Any slight bends are corrected. The steel is aligned precisely. Bars are cut to exact lengths.
Cutting is fully automated.
Edges are finished for safety. Each batch is identified and tracked. Only approved steel moves forward.
Only approved steel moves forward.
Bars are bundled for handling. Bars are bundled for handling. A coating prevents corrosion. Finished steel is stored safely. Finished steel is stored safely. The steel is ready for delivery. Finished steel moves to final logistics. Careful handling prevents damage. Each load is secured for transport. Shipments leave the mill daily. Steel begins its journey to customers. Steel supports modern construction. It forms the backbone of infrastructure. Manufacturers shape steel for countless applications. Quality control ensures consistency. This is how steel is made in a modern steel mill.